How to put someone's story on your Instagram. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can put someone's story onto your Instagram story. So in order to do that procedure, first of all check your internet connection, update your application. Now there are different ways of doing it. So first of all, the easy way is that when a user has actually mentioned you on their story, then it will be very easy and simple for you to share it. So all you have to do is to share. You need to go to your DMs, and from there you need to go to the chat page where which user has actually tagged you, and then you'll be able to find an option as add to your story. All you have to do is just press on it and click on your story. Automatically the story will be added. And similarly, if the user has not mentioned you, like for example, let's say that this is the one, you can take a screenshot. So for that, hold on to your side button as well as to your power on button at the same time, and once you have taken the screenshot, exit out of their chat and then go to your story, and from here you can see this is the screenshot that I've recently taken, and now you can adjust the size, shape whatsoever, and then add it to your story. And similarly, if it is a video, then you can take a screen record and upload it to your story. So that is how you can share someone's story onto your Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.